Tesla's Giga Shanghai has taken its annualized vehicle production rate up to 450,000 units. This consists of different variants of the Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. This news was made public by China's social media enthusiasts that got an opportunity to visit the Shanghai Gigafactory and see all the happenings for themselves. Being close to producing nearly 500,000 vehicles from a single production facility in a single year is no small feat for the EV maker. A YouTuber based in China got to share the latest details of the operations going on at Giga Shanghai. The vehicle output of the facility was the main highlight of this update, as Giga Shanghai has reached the 450,000 production rate for its vehicle units. This means that Tesla is quite close to achieving more than its fourth quarter 2020 update letter predicted. Recent reports from Chinese local sources hint towards the possibility that Tesla China may achieve more than the 450,000 goal and go towards producing 500,000 EVs in 2021. Another Tesla enthusiast, Ray for Tesla, tweeted that the made in China Model 3 and Model Y annual production rate has reached 450,000. The robust workforce that consists of people around the age of 26 may be able to take this rate up to 500,000 units. They certainly have the potential to carry this out. Compared to Tesla's performance in 2020, its global vehicle delivery number was 499,550 units, a little shy under the 500,000 goal set for the whole year. Tesla does not have specific guidance for 2021, but is planning to go above the sales and delivery numbers of the preceding year. The production going on at Giga Shanghai may be sufficient to make an optimistic projection about whether Tesla will be able to beat its last year's goal or not. Looking at the current pace of Tesla, it is evident that it may be able to go beyond the 2020 guidance made by the EV maker itself. The first quarter of the year alone had 184,800 EV deliveries made. All of these vehicles consisted of Model 3 and Model Y units. The Model S Plaid was also meant to enter the production in the first quarter of 2021, but a challenge in the form of global semiconductor chips did not allow it. Tesla was able to ramp up deliveries in the second quarter and took it up to 201,250 EV units. These also consisted of the Model S Plaid. The earnings call of the second quarter announced that Giga Shanghai is Tesla's primary export hub for its EVs. Exports to different markets in Europe will also be done from the Shanghai Gigafactory. This will help fill the production gap for the third quarter, which was supposed to be filled by Gigafactory Berlin. Tesla was initially planning to start producing the made-in-Germany Model Y at Giga Berlin in July, but could not do so due to some permit restraints. This has not stopped Tesla from being able to deliver Model Ys in Europe, as it has been able to do so from the Giga Shanghai productions. The senior key account manager from Munich, Daniel Rieck, recently announced that arrivals of the Model Y have officially started in Europe. These are being made from the Giga Shanghai. Some Tesla customers who made reservations for the Model Y in Europe have reported that they were given a delivery date of August 2021. The estimated delivery for the Model Y on the Tesla configurator shows a delivery time of September at the moment at which this update is being done. The delivery estimate for Model Y in Europe and the recent reporting of the 450,000 production rate at Giga Shanghai shows that Tesla is on the course to go beyond the 2020 guidance. Delivering fewer vehicles than in 2020 does not seem like a possibility for Tesla if we keep in mind all the current developments. Tesla has plans to cover up the Nevada Gigafactory with solar panels before 2022 ends. This was stated by the company back in 2020 in the Impact Report. Not much attention has been given to Giga Nevada in the past years, and it has flown very much under the radar. Understandably, the Tesla investors were more focused on developing other production facilities like Giga Shanghai, Giga Berlin, and Giga Texas. It does not mean that Giga Nevada is inferior in any sense, as it has been making electric powertrains and batteries for Tesla's energy storage products and EVs. Giga Nevada was the largest battery production facility according to volume in 2020. It reached almost 20 gigawatt hours in battery production. The operational space at Giga Nevada is at 5.3 million square feet, but still, Tesla thinks that this is not complete. One of the large-scale projects that will make the production facility complete is the installation of solar panels all over the roof of the factory. This will allow covering the top of the production facility in such a way that sustainable energy will be retrieved from it. This sustainable energy will then help in the production of batteries and EV powertrains. The 2020 Impact Report was just released recently, and it stated that the project would be completed by the end of 2022. It also claimed that the design of Giga Nevada was made in such a way that it was supposed to be covered with solar panels from the very start. Solar panels with a combined capacity of 3,200 kilowatts have successfully been installed at the facility, and this is expected to grow to 24,000 kilowatts. It means that the whole roof has to be covered with solar panels. Once this is done, it will turn Giga Nevada into a production facility with the largest solar rooftop installed in the United States. Tesla has been working on this particular project for some time now, but not at as quick a pace as with the rest of its projects. It has been going slower than the investors expected it to go. There has been regular news on the different batches of solar panels being installed there. The progress has been slow, as there were only so many panels installed that consisted of only 20 to 30% of the whole roof till April of 2021. This was when the latest batch of solar panels was installed at the facility roof. Tesla's been working on the project since 2018. Once the solar panels have been installed on the roof of Giga Nevada, this will become one of the most environmentally sustainable production facilities on Earth. This will eliminate a majority of concerns related to an argument about Tesla for a very long time now. The argument goes that the end impact of electric vehicles is as bad as of internal combustion engine vehicles, since the production facilities use energy made from burning fossil fuels. Energy to charge EVs at charging stations also comes from sources that burn fossil fuels and turn them into electricity. Tesla aims to cut down the fossil fuel footprint it has in its production facilities by installing these solar panels. Giga Nevada is not the only facility that will be given this sustainable technology. Other facilities such as the Fremont factory, Gigafactory New York City, and the Lathrop factory will also get such solar panels installed on their rooftops. It is in typical Tesla fashion that all of the production facilities do not get introduced with the new technology at the same time. An example of this is the installation of gigapresses that also started at a select number of production facilities. This allows Tesla to check the impact of this newly installed technology and then determine how it can be amplified by using it in other areas as well. It also protects Tesla from the risk of detrimental effects of the technology on all the production facilities that would hinder the production rate. If some unexpected adverse effects are to be generated from installing such new technology, it will be faced only at a limited number of production sites, rather than at all of them. Make sure to check out one of the videos shown on your screen right now. We post videos daily, so feel free to subscribe and stay up to date on all most recent news and updates.